Hey guys. Okay, it's cold. So this is the second house that we went to today. We were supposed to go to 3, but the other guy, he's been kind of dodging me. So every other week it's like, hey, I gotta reschedule. It's like, okay, so it's fine. Okay, this house is a total rehab. It was the previous owner started to work on it, but that was the first bedroom in there. And this is like a side room. It could double as like another bedroom if someone who lives here decided to do so with it. This is another bedroom. Closet. This is where the what is it? I think it's the water heater. Yeah, I think that's where that goes right there. This is the bathroom. This bathroom is completely gone. The lighting is kind of bad. I hope you guys can see. There's no floor. And of course, without the floor, there can't be any appliances or the bathroom or tub or anything. And so that needs to be completely redone. Some of the floors, you can feel them. They're a little rickety. And this is the last bedroom. So there's 3 bedrooms, and you could have 4 if you decided to use that last room as a bedroom. Now this is the kitchen. The wiring wasn't finished, so that needs to be continued. Sorry, I thought you could see that, but there's the wiring right there. A little bit of it. Some of the doors and like all the materials are still here as well. I assume that's where a window unit used to be, or like a heater or air conditioning unit used to be, because it's not central. As you can see by the top of the ceiling, there's no openings for it, unless they started to convert it into one through the top of the ceiling. Okay. Landscape is pretty good. Nothing too crazy for landscaping. This is getting redone as well. The house has a very simple shape. It's very square, so it's not like a lot of floor planning if you're planning to redo anything or whatever. The backyard is huge. It's really big. So if you decided to, you could make a garage, but you know, that's always a preference. Like I said, it's a very simple shape. And there's a little deck, little thing, that room that could make another bedroom if you decided to do so. That's where this is connected to. You can't get in that door. And these are the only steps. On the other side, there are no steps, so let me show you. This can, you know, of course get torn down, but you need to put some steps right here to get out of this door. But there's no steps right here. Okay, and that's it. But yeah, we're leaving this one. My fingers, I can't feel them. But hey, money don't sleep. If you guys recognize that shirt, that sweatshirt, that's because I wore it in the last video. We share clothes. But yeah, we're leaving this one. Hopefully the one that we just left, I'll insert a couple pictures. It was It was beautiful. Like the guy said he rented it out for $1,000 and $1,075. So of course, depending on the situation, you could just bump that up to $1,100 if you wanted to, or whatever. It's not much, but you still could. There was like no work needed. Like even the carpet, I wouldn't even replace the carpet. It looked so nice. It was like freshly vacuumed and everything. Do you need the GPS? But yeah, that one looks really nice. I'm kind of worried though, because you know, this game, we gotta offer what makes sense for us to be able to make a profit and for our investors to make a profit. And so I'm just hoping he goes for whatever price I have for him.
His neck.
What? Oh, I missed him. I didn't see him. What's wrong with his neck?
In 400 feet, turn right
right
onto Rangeline Road. Turn right onto Rangeline Road.
But yeah, super excited. Got quite a few deals in the works, and just getting things pumping.
Continue for 4 miles.
It sucks because it's like finna be winter time. It's November right now, so it's getting chilly. And this is like when our pipeline started to get the busiest out of the entire year. And it's like, okay. Wait, you want to say anything? Are you gonna say anything for real this time?
Yeah.
What?
Does it record?
Yeah.
But we get famous. Then you gotta zoom in.
It's not all the way in your face.
Alright. Well, we get famous. I want y'all to start buying me cakes and pieces.
You just want free stuff. You can buy it up. What's the point of being famous if you can't buy your own stuff?
I'm kidding.
No, he's not kidding. He isn't. Why does my face look like that? He's not kidding at all. He will seriously be expecting it. Like, okay, so I'm planning on doing public speaking sometime soon. He's gonna be expecting to have. He can't have sugar anyway. He told me he'll stop eating his sugar.
Bring any candy, cookies and milk.
Don't bring him any sugar.
Hey, bring a gallon of milk. It's only like $2.
Bring him fruit.
$2 for a stick of milk.
Bring him fruit.
I bet this is him right here.
The last property we went to, the owner had a blue Cadillac, and we just went behind a blue Cadillac, so that's why he said that. Don't just bring him fruit.
Don't buy me anything besides cookies.
Bring him fruit.
Cookies and milk, guys.
Otherwise, I will send a bill to all of you. If you bring him candy, I will send you. Oh, it's Rainicorns.
Rainicorn.
I will send a bill for his dentist to all of you if you bring him any candy or cookies or anything like that. Jeez.
We can split it, guys. We're Rainicorn.
We didn't even go trick-or-treating because of the candy situation, and he can't have it. Oh my gosh. How are you feeling? That's good.
Ready to get this last smoke.
The last what?
Probably this.
We're not going to another one. That was it.
That was it?
Yeah, we're going home. I gotta do some research on these properties. Like, okay. But yep, we're. You want to get some food? Or we can't get any food yet.
We could, but nah. I'll pick that refrigerator.
Okay. You're It's like when you got food at home, but you don't want to eat at home. Okay. But yeah, talk to you guys later.